Hello and welcome to this new video, this time an exercise video. I will link the exercise in the video description. Please follow the instruction if you want to do this exercise in advance and pause the video here because afterwards I will do a solution and then run through to this exercise and solve this exercise. So please stop here. In the next 5 seconds, the solution will start, the solution walkthrough. So here's our exercise. We should change this addressing so that the cell reference is always fixed, so that if I'm copy this reference, it doesn't change anymore. And you know how to do that. We need our dollar signs, and I will input dollar signs both before the column letter and the row number with the shortcut. So like function F4. And as you can see, the reference is fixed. Here we also have a formula, and we should change the addressing so that we can track down this formula, and every revenue got multiplied with the bonus percentage here. And you can also do that by applying the dollar signs. You would only need to do make a dollar sign before the 8. This would be enough, but you can also apply the dollar sign to both the column letter and your row number. And then you can easily track down this formula either by clicking, tracking this down manually or by double click on here, and you see you get green dots here. And you see also that even the formula at the end has like the bonus percentage reference fixed. So that was the addressing exercise, quite simple. Here we need to format those things, and we should format them according to the instructions. So here we need Arial, so I go up here to the font section and make it Arial. Here a bottom line is normally pre-selected here with this bordered thing here. So I can only select this here. I want a bold border around the whole cell, so I click here and the drop-down menu appears where I can select the thick outside borders. I want to make the font bold. Here you either click here or you know that it's Control B to make something bold. Font color red, you can also click here, so font color red, or you can select other colors. Cell background yellow, you can click here or also select another fill color. And alignment centered, you can also select this here. So we've formatted all the appearances. Here we should format the number to date format. So here you can pre-select this here, or you know that it's like short date or date. Then here we should format this to a number with 1,000 separator and 2 decimal places. You can select this here, or we have only the number with decimal places, and now you saw here with this comma style thing, you can select this and you get 1,000 separators. This as a currency, you see here are currencies, or you select this here, so as you wish, and with the currency you wish, only that you know where this is. Here we select to have the percentages, and then you can increase or decrease the decimal places here. Here is decrease, there is increase. We want to have 2 places, so increase this by 2, or you go here and go to percentage in the menu and then select the decimal places accordingly. Format the number so that's red. So I did this class also with some high school students, and what they did, they made the 4 color red, but this isn't the case. There are also for negative numbers some pre-selected appearance options. So here you need to select this. Then you can also here input, for example, the comma style, but you will then go back here So, sorry, I thought it would work. Oh, sorry, selected the wrong size, the wrong row. So, and as you can see here, this is like dynamic. So if it's a positive number, it is black, then black. So here, you see there is time, there's also long date, short date, but there isn't a date with time formatting option. So I need to go in the menu, go to time or date. Time will not do you the favor, or also in the lower part it will do the favor. And you have your date with time. You can also do other formats then. So, and then we have here a few things to do. We should format based on the rule above. So here is conditional formatting. We should apply a color scale. It doesn't matter which one it is. I like that. So like low numbers are red, high numbers are green. Numbers above 500. So we go here, conditional formatting, highlight cells greater than 500. And here I can customize the format, or I can use one of the pre-selected. Numbers above the average, rules greater than, this doesn't do it. Above average here. So conditional formatting, top, bottom rules above average will do you the favor. Top 10 values. This can also be quite handy in an corporate environment. For example, in auditing, I use this to really show show fast which values are important. So top 10 items here in like bright red. You can also not only, as you saw potentially, you can not only select the first 10, but also like the first 20 or so on. And then here we want an arrow for every number above 725 and an arrow down for everything less. So we need to go to icon set, and here you can select different icons, and you see, oh, there's also like an arrow up or down for different numbers. And then you need to go under manage rules and click here, and here you can see you can you have different optionalities to use them. And here, if a value is greater than 725, we want to have an arrow up, and it is smaller than 725, smaller or equal, then we want to have an arrow down. Oh, not percentage, number. Sorry, didn't sort it. So if the value is larger than 725, we will have something down, and then we need to select for like the arrow, the horizontal arrow. We don't want any value, any arrow to appear there. So we select smaller than or equal 725 and larger than 725. And so you see automatically if it's smaller or equal 725, we get an arrow down as we wanted to have. And this is also dynamic, so if I change this here to 780, the arrow is down and it was before up and it was before down. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to address them in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.